Today we're looking at a vowel team. A vowel team is when two vowels work together to make one sound. And the rule is when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking and he usually says his name. And his name is E. So that means that A is silent and that E says E. So this vowel team says E. There are exceptions that we'll cover later. For right now, this vowel team says E. Most of the time when you see this vowel team, that's what it says. All right, so let's make our first word. There we go. Are we ready? Two sounds. We have our T and our E, right? Let's blend them together. T. That was easy. Say it fast. Tea. Yeah, I love green tea. Okay, let's change our word. Now, I put a consonant on the end. Did it change our vowel team? No, our vowel team still says the same thing. It says E. Yeah, our vowel team still says E. So the word is what? We have three sounds. T, E, M. All right, let's sound it out together. Ready? Team. Let's do that again. Team. Good, let's say it fast. Team. Team. Yeah, I'm on the red team. Good job. Let's see what word we have now. Again, we have three sounds, and this is our vowel sound. It's one sound. Even though it's a vowel team, it only makes one sound, right? The A is silent, and E says E. And then this is L, E, P. So let's put them together and sound out our word. Ready? Leap. Good, let's do that again. Leap. Good, say it fast. Leap. Say it fast. Leap. Yes, I like to leap out of the closet and scare my sister. Let's look at our new word. How many sounds does this new word have? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 sounds. You want to tap the sounds for me? S, P, E, K. That's right. Remember, our vowel team has one sound, and it's E. Okay. Now, let's sound out our new word. Speak. Let's do that again. Ready? Speak. Oh, we need to do that faster, don't we? Ready? Speak. Oh, that did sound like a word. Speak. Yes, I say that to my dog. I say, speak, and then he barks at me. Okay, let's make a really big word. You ready? Now we can tap these out separately. Are you ready? S, qu, E, k. Okay, now what do? We put them together. We tap and stretch. We have one vowel sound, and that's E. This is a vowel team. U does not make its own sound. It works with Q to make the qua sound, okay? So U is not a vowel in this case. Just the EA vowel team is a vowel for our word. Are we ready? Let's sound it out. Squeak. Let's do that again. Ready? Squeak. Let's say it fast. Squeak. Say it fast. Squeak. Yeah, squeak. My toy will squeak when I squeeze it really hard. Yeah. Good job on the vowel team, EA, that says E.